Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wake up to the breathtaking panoramic views of sandy white beaches and crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. Located 5 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport in the enclaves of Ironshore Estate, overlooking the north coast shoreline of Montego Bay, Jamaica, combining privacy, luxury and tranquility. The Royal Kensington Villa, a unique villa-type home with some of the most unparalleled architectural designs, with spacious fully furnished bedrooms, air conditions and ceiling fans and water heaters, gated drive-in, and 24 hours CCTV monitoring camera system. Furniture from Burnt Hard and Elton Allen, dishwasher, granite kitchen and bathroom countertop, jetted tub, bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and chandeliers that lights up majestically. The property boasts 3 kitchens, including a self-contained studio and helper's quarters, a powder room, and a operating fountain. The land area of this house is 18,908 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $200 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.